Hello, everyone. My name is Brandon Faulkner, and welcome to Village Core, where we live our mission, which is to connect, share, learn, and build intergenerational connections for mutual learning. This is a place where youth tech minds and senior wisdom join forces to bring you meetings like this. Today, we'll be talking about Disney Plus and the world of Disney, along with Hulu and ESPN, that come all included, depending on what description you pick. So, talking about Disney Plus here, solely just Disney Plus. Disney Plus is a wide array of movies that you are able to stream, that are movies that are produced by companies like Marvel, Disney, Star Wars, National Geographic, and other things of that nature. This is where you can come and see all your favorite classics and also discover new movies that you might be interested in, or new movies and shows that you might be interested in. So here we can see all these movies and more that are included with Disney Plus when you first sign up. So there's things like Indiana Jones, there's the men's college basketball, there's Keeping Up with the Kardashians, there's Marvel shows like Loki, Frozen 2, Finding Nemo, and so much more when you sign up for Disney Plus. So there are two plans for Disney Plus, or there are actually more plans for Disney Plus, but the main two that they offer that a lot of people buy are the Hulu and Disney Plus combination for $9.99 a month, or you can get the Hulu, Disney Plus, and ESPN Plus membership for $15 a month. And you get access to all the movies, all the shows that you could possibly think of through these subscription plans. The other plans that they have are solely just Disney Plus. If you're looking to just buy Disney Plus, you can buy Disney Plus with ads, which is roughly $7.99 a month, or you can buy Disney Plus without ads, which is $14 a month. So if you're somebody who's looking to either watch it with ads or without ads, this is where you can get your movies streamed and all that good stuff. So moving back here, as we can see here, I would mainly stick to the Hulu plus Disney Plus because I don't necessarily use ESPN, so I'd stick to the $10 a month. Um, if you sign up using this button, you of course you would have to sign up using you creating an account for Disney Plus, just like you would for any other subscription service like Netflix or Prime Video. So you'd sign in, you would put in your credit card information, you'd put in your other information in order to get started. Here we can also see some movies that are being added to Disney Plus recently. So we have movies like The Marvel, Moon Girls, MLK slash Malcolm X. We have The Last Repair Shop, A Bug's Life, and other things that are being added. So new movies are added continuously that are all from Disney or all from companies that they own, like Marvel, like Star Wars, like National Geographic. So if you're somebody who's looking for those types of movies and or shows, this is where you can come and find them. They also have different trending movies and shows like the Percy Jackson series. They have Bluey, which is a kid show. They have Indiana Jones. They have things like Echo, Miley Cyrus, Elton John Live, his final tour, The Simpsons, and other things like that. So if you're looking to find any shows like that, this is where you can come and find those. So here, once again, we have the bundle. As you can see, you get all these and more now streaming. So typically with all these bundles and all that sort of stuff, you get access to a wide array of the shows from Hulu. Or if you're somebody who's very much into sports, you can also access the games that are on ESPN Plus. So this could be things like tennis, soccer, other things like that, if you're looking for that. What else is there? Oh, yeah. With Disney Plus as well, this is something that you can cancel anytime. This is also something that you can take on the road with you. So if you're somebody who wants to watch these movies in an airport or something like that on a plane, you can always make sure that these movies are ready to go and ready to play on the road and also downloadable. Also, this is a great option if you're somebody with either kids or grandchildren because they do have a kids access version which has a ton of kids shows like The Little Mermaid, How to Train You, not How to Train Your Dragon, like Finding Nemo, and other things like that that your family can enjoy as well. But if you're somebody who's looking for something a little bit more mature, you can also switch over to Hulu Plus, where you can access that sort of content, like Keeping Up with the Kardashians, and a whole lot of other shows that are located on Hulu Plus. If you're somebody who's big into football, if you're somebody who's big into soccer, basketball, tennis, anything like that, ESPN Plus is the way for you to go. And once again, all these are included in two separate subscriptions. Or if you just want Disney Plus, you can download Disney Plus for $7.99 a month with ads or $13.99 a month without ads. So once again, we have all these good movies and more. There are also student versions. So if you know somebody who is in college, if one of your relatives is in college or you yourself are going into college, there is a student version that you can access that is a lot cheaper. But once again, this one is with ads, so you will need to sit through those ads. And because it is a streaming service, they're kind of wary about who uses what account and who has access to those accounts and all that good stuff. So you want to make sure that you are sticking on top of your subscription, that you are reading their guidelines about password sharing and all that sort of thing to not have your subscription canceled. Um, and once again, we can see things like Disney, Pixar, Marvel, Star Wars, National Geographic. So if you're somebody who's looking to get into kind of nature documentaries or documentaries in general, National Geographic is the way for you to go. If you're somebody who's really big into Star Wars, like I am, how I love all the movies and all the shows, I typically use my Disney Plus in order to access all my Star Wars shows. I'm also very big into Marvel, like a lot of people are out there. So I get to access all the Marvel movies on Disney Plus. There's also Pixar, where you can access all those Pixar shows like Up and so many other types of movies on there that are very family friendly and that you can enjoy with your family, or just the Disney shows and the movies that they produce, like Sleeping Beauty and other things like that. So as we can see here, we also have the home interface, how you can add it to, how you can find your home. You can also search for different movies. You can add it to a watch list if you can't watch it right now. You can also watch Disney Plus originals. So these are the movies that they make themselves. And there's also the the movie section, the series, and then of course you can add as many profiles as you want as long as you guys are on the same account. There's really no limit. It's just like Netflix where you can add some people, you can remove people, but once again, do be wary about password sharing because Disney Plus and all those other subscription services are getting on top, checking that and making sure people are not accidentally or not sharing their passwords and other things like that around, and that people are paying for the subscription that they say they are. So once again, it is really easy to access just by signing up, creating your email, accessing everything, typing in your name, your info, your credit card number, all that good stuff, and then you will have your subscription present and right there for you. Other than that, I have nothing really else to add about Disney Plus, other than the fact that it is a great way for streaming, and you can also get Hulu and ESPN Plus included. And once again, you can cancel this at whatever moment you choose. So once again, my name is Brandon Faulkner. We want to thank you all for connecting, sharing, and learning. You'll be able to find a recording of this session on our website, villagecore.org, under the events page. And please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, VillageCore, for all past and future events. Thank you so much for watching.